Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from super hot Margate, Florida. And today we have a truck that we have never done. That's right, a truck we haven't done. Can you believe this? After all these years, we found a truck we haven't done, and that is the new GMC EV pickup truck. That's right. We've done the Lightning before, and that was only electric trucks we've done so far. But now we got the GMC Sierra EV here, and I tell you, it's a pretty cool looking truck. I drove it. It was definitely different to drive, but it's fun. So what do we do? Well, what do we always do for trucks? We put a tonneau cover on there. So as we're walking back here, hit that like button, get it out of the way, subscribe to the channel. You know you're going to like the video. And I tell you, this cover here is a back industry product called the MX4. And before I go and show you how everything works, but you get a really good view on how it looks. It's a great looking cover. It's got a 400-pound weight capacity with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Now the nice thing is, because we installed it today, which by the way, it wasn't super hard, but it does take slightly longer than a standard MX4, so keep that in mind. And there are some differences on this cover versus the MX4 on other trucks, and I'm going to go over all the differences. Now, as you know, if you have the Chevy EV or the GMC EV, there's only a few companies are even making a cover for it. This is one of them, but this is the only one that I can find that will work with the part that opens in the back, and we'll talk about that in a minute. So I think it's called the midgate. Again, I'm not as familiar with the EVs. I'm learning. So okay, so you ready? Let's go into this here and show you how everything works. Now you have a left and right release mechanism, but this is new now. They're putting this little emergency release on it, which I guess we can take that part off. And in case you get stuck in there, you can release it. Be honest with you, could have done it before, but I guess there was a reason for that. All right, so you come over here and we just keep folding it. Now, this one, like I said, you have a drainage system here, so if any water gets past the seal, it will catch it and drain it out, and we'll show you where the drainage system goes in a minute. Now, if you notice the bottom of this and the top of this, it all matches, so it's really quite nice. Now, this is a dual piece of metal. What do I mean? Well, instead of a single piece, it's got two pieces of metal with a reinforcement in the middle for strength. By having that, it's the insulation for the cover is better, so the heat doesn't go through as much into the truck. Why is that good? Well, if you're picking up groceries, you got your cold milk back there, you want your milk to stay cold for a longer time, or if you're keeping tools back there, or even golf clubs, sometimes the heat can melt the glue that holds the handle. So that's why you want something with a little insulation. So let's go ahead and do another fold. And this is where things are a little different. Now, again, with the midgate, this basically means this part opens up over here. This cover does work with that, where some of the other covers do not. Now, as you know, most backflips have an additional fold, but because of the way this bed is set up, it does not fold any further than this. This is it. So you still got quite a bit of space here, but it's going to stay here. Now, if you can still open your midgate, leave this here. Now, if you needed this extra space, let's say you put your Harley back here and you need a little extra room here, you can remove this. There's basically little things in here which you can take the cover off. So if you get the camera, as you see, as the camera's in there, you can see where the drainage system is, and we did use existing holes on that, if you noticed, so we did not put new holes in there. And it's a super clean look. Great cover. I mean, as you know, back industries have been around since the beginning of time. They're a good American established company. I like their products. It is part of the Real Track brand, and because of that, we were able to double the warranty for them. So that's a really nice feature. So again, let's take another thing I want to show you here. It does have a dual seal at the tailgate here, and that just helps keep water out. Now, this is real important. None of these covers are submarine, so none of these are going to be 100% waterproof or watertight. If you go to the manufacturer's website, it says they're weather resistant or water resistant. They can't say watertight because basically that means it's submergible and you can put it in the ocean. This thing is just designed to keep Mother Nature out the best it can, and they do have the drainage system, the double seal here. It's got a lot of seals up front, so it does have a lot helping keep Mother Nature out. So let's go ahead and close this up here. Now this does have that multi-function tailgate, so a lot of people are, hey, you forgot to open that up, so let's go to open that up now. And as you can see, you can use this while that's closed, so that's a really nice feature. All in all, even though you don't have a lot of choices when it comes to this particular truck, this is a good choice. I like this cover. buddy who's our master tech behind the camera is the one who put it on today. And first thing he said to me, hey, I really like that cover. I think it fits very nice. And buddy, you're right. So as you can see, looks good, functions good. If you like this product, we can drop ship it anywhere in the country, or you can come here in Florida, let us install it for you. Let's double that warranty. Now, if you buy this from us and you're installing it and you have questions, I'll be glad, or buddy will be glad to answer any questions regarding the installation. Now, the rule of thumb is if you buy it somewhere else, we're not going to be available to help you with your installation questions. You got to buy it from us. For some reason, people watching my video, even though there's a link for this on the YouTube video, you can go right to our website and buy it. They said to me, I didn't know you sold it. Yes, we're a business. Look at the hat. We are selling this stuff. So buy from us. You get our expertise when it comes to installation, and we do pick up the phone when you call, which is really nice. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories at our newest location, and this is a review of the new backflip MX4 on the GMC EV truck. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.